Okay, everyone, once you've logged in to the course website, you'll end up on this home page. Should look like this. You can find the modules, which shows you the stuff that we've studied in the last few weeks. Some of this stuff is already on those handouts that I gave you on the basics of acoustics. There's something about the overtone series. There's basics of room acoustics, etc. So you probably want to read through at least those first three modules that show up, all of those sections, basics of acoustics, overtone series, and room acoustics, and then have your book and your handouts ready when you take the test. When you're ready to take the test, over here on the left you find other links, syllabus, files. You can download those handouts, by the way. If you lost them, you can download them by going to Files, click on the Class Handouts folder, and you can find the Room Acoustics one there, and the several acoustics handouts are in that folder. All right, so when you're ready to take the quiz, over here on the left, you'll click on the Quizzes link. You'll go to Quiz 1. Before I click on it, it says it's available through March 19th at 2:20 p.m., which is next Monday when our class starts. That's when this quiz will lock. It's due then. It's worth 100 points, and there are 25 questions. So that tells you there are 4 points per question. And you'll get 2 attempts. So if you don't like your score after the first test, take it again, and it'll save your highest score. When you're ready, click on the 165 Quiz 1 link, and the quiz should start. Tells you all that info. 2 attempts are allowed, 50 minutes. It's a timed test, so you do have to work reasonably quickly. 25 questions, still it's 2 minutes per question, so hopefully you won't work that slowly. When you're ready, take the quiz, and it opens up. I think, is it going to open up? Maybe I didn't hit it. There we go. And it lists the questions and the possible answers. Some of these questions are multiple choice. Some of them, as I get towards the end, you'll see are true-false questions. Let me scroll way down there. Yeah, there are some true-false questions. All right, so give it a shot. When you're done, work all the way through. Make sure you answered all the questions, then hit Submit Quiz, and it should show you your score. All right, that's it. Good luck. Email me if you have any problems.